All right, so I feel like I should actually give you one more bonus video. So this is just bonus video that is supposed to help you do certain things, and some of you might be interested in retargeting and remarketing. So if you're onto your WordPress website right now, I want you to go ahead and come to plugins here, and you're going to click on add new plugin. And what I want you to do is to go ahead and search a plugin. This plugin is by far one of the best plugins that when it comes to Facebook pixel setup. So you're going to search for this plugin. It's called Pixel Caffeine. Okay, you're going to search for this and this is it. Okay, you're going to activate it right away because I installed it. You're going to install it. If you're not, this is install and this is activate. So you're going to install it and then you're going to activate it, and it's so simple. It's one of the best when it comes to Facebook pixel. It's so straight to the point. It helps you do, you see, one of the things it does, track advanced data. All right, so you can retarget and remarket. You see, WooCommerce or support. So for this site and for this project, I believe that you would need to retarget, identify who your customers are, who are the people that logged in, and then you can also retarget to lookalike audiences. So I'm going to come here and click on setup, and it's going to be simple. Just follow the button, follow the instruction, and you'll be able to do it. So this is it. I'm saying enable tracking because that's what I need. Okay, you need to save, and it says I should insert my Facebook pixel ID. So you see the options that they're giving to you, very simple. You could actually connect to Facebook and it's going to automatically link your Facebook pixel ID. So right now I'm going to come into my Facebook, business.facebook.com, and if I click here, I want to show you something. If I come in here and click on my personal ad account, you could select any of the account, but I just want to show you how holistically you can actually access the Facebook ID that was being requested. So I'm going to come in here to click on this ad manager and come in here to events manager and select on it, and I just want to show you where the ID is located. So the ID is going to show up here. Okay, and you can see already my Facebook is already fired in my personal web page, and you can see how many people had visited my site, about 19 people. So that's it. So this is the ID that you try as much as possible to copy. So you could copy it and you can come to this Pixel Caffeine and paste it right here, and it's gonna work. Okay, you could paste it there and it starts. So that's just one way of doing it, and then it's gonna automatically fix into the head, and that's just all that it is that you need. So you can see view product activated with WooCommerce and all these kind of things. If you want to activate it for e-commerce tracking and you monitor people that add to cart, people that view product, people that view checkout, people that added payment information, people that purchased, people that actually completed registration. I mean, this is so fabulous. This is an amazing tool. Maybe for the advanced tools I might just forget about it because that might be very technical for you, but that's just it. And I'm going to go ahead and save, and the next thing is that my pixel is going to be activated with just one click of a button. That's how simple it is, with just one click of a button. I'll go ahead and select it, and it's going to automatically activate, and I could go ahead and apply, and that's just how it is. So that's just how this works, and right now it works. You can see my custom audiences are on. Anybody that visits my site right now, I can track the person, retarget and remarket, and that's exactly what we do. So if that's what it is, I'm going to go ahead and save, and then we're going to hit the dashboard. So let's come back to the dashboard and see what's really going on. So this is the dashboard. I can see that it's active, and if anybody visits my page right now, if anybody visits, you can see it's actually showing me what's really going on. That's how it is. If anybody visits my page right now, I'm going to see it right here, and I'm also going to see it on my Facebook ad manager, and that's how simple it is. That's so how simple. With just one click of button, you have one of the best pixel activated for your site that you can retarget, you can remarket, and you can have amazing conversion. So that is the bonus video I wanted to give to you. So if you have any questions, feel free to connect with me, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be there to help.